I was assembling a project for which I'll make a video of later, and while I was doing that, I ran into a bit of a problem. I just realized a big mistake. This mortise is for the thing that ties the back together, and that goes on like so, except I put the mortise here, and that's because I didn't think of these parts not being symmetrical, and I just made them all the same, so half the pieces I have to recut another mortise here. Oops. So now I need to plug the other holes so that these become mirror images of these ones, but I noticed an odd thing. My markings for the original mortise are right here. I had two pairs of mirror images, it's just I swapped them around, and so they weren't mirror images. Silly me, so I'm now plugging the holes that I just cut. I'm not sure if I'll leave that stupidity in the final edit, because if I don't point it out to you, you'll never know there was another mortise. So I decided not to include that screw up in the main video, because that video is going to be long enough as it is already.